Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create a doll animation only using one picture. How is that possible? Don't worry guys, because this video will show you the step-by-step to do it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Pixverse, and if you are the user of Android phone, then you can download or install it from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And as soon as you have installed this Pixverse, then you can go into the application. And also don't forget to do the sign up or login first. So this application will give you the credit over here. As you can see, as the new user, actually you will have 60 credits here. And if you earn, let's say in a day you have already run out the credit, don't worry, because it will be renewed every 0 UTC. Or if you, let's say for example, if you are using, or you are the user that live in Indonesia, then it will be renewed at 7 a.m. at the Western Indonesian time. So let's go back to the template, and as you can see, this is the home page. If you would like to have the preferences and use one of the user template over here, then you can go into the use template over here. And since we would like to create the doll, then we can go to the template. For the template itself, I will type in the searching section Jellycat everything and enter. Then we will choose this template, and it will direct you into your gallery to select your favorite picture that you would like to create the animation. Let's say I will choose this picture, and as you can see, this animation will need 20 credits to generate, and since we have 20 credit left, so it will be enough to do the generation. So I will continue to click create over here, and this application will take the time to generate the animation. Then while waiting for the generation, you can explore more about this template or see another user's creation. And since we have received the information or the notification that our video is ready, then you can click this notification, then click this video. Let's see the result. Isn't that cute, right? So you can start to share this video into your favorite social media, or you can simply download it and it will be saved into your gallery, or you can upscale it to become HD, but it will need more credits, and you can do the purchase for the package. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel to watch more on another video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.